recording.
Sprinkle the verse, adding words, put them in a verse with lines in them and hit them with first rhyme in them, and then I'ma split them in half, deal them my rap, vegetable through parts of the south, so dirty, you wanna be given a bath, the pathological lie to deny that I'm nice, and the truth hurts, ow, ripping the blue shirt, the best buy for the price, to get 6 guys, that's live and nice on the mic, so don't miss this because we're fly, get sick and try, but it's like, I'm not a slice of these MC bastards, even in each fraction, need in every piece of they teeth recrafted, so don't front, cause I see past it, you're harmless like Wolverines and Mantic and Paws when they're retracted, if a scene's backlit, a scene static, a wreak havoc, a beat pattern, to keep rapping, a leech battle, a dream shatter, a 3 nanosecond, damn, count your paces, one step to tone after you're gone in 60 seconds like
I'm leaving written with basics. There's no need for complexity to be beside myself. I need God next to me. Just kidding. I'm partially bullshitting. Only time I take a loss, pussies when I lose kittens. I pitch shit past you, no matter who's hitting. I don't capsize boats, but I got crews flipping. You catch it. The message needs analyzation. Step in your voice and be pouring alcoholic libations. I'm too sick. You knew this. I'll puzzle you doofus for wrestling. Stretch you into a physical Rubik. It'll take more than sticker rearrange with the change in his language is so strange. How do we contain it? You can't just paint this up on the canvas. Gotta get the mental picture to begin to understand this. So anticipate defeat, the lead chances. Get your head spherical lances, do it burial dances.
Funny language, speech impediments. Each other threat causes confident cats just understand. Cut a reputation down to size too raw for pouring over dumps. Plate of leftovers. Eat some warmed over thoughts. Agenda wordsmith bleeding ghost writers. Pens dry, getting on the rapper's nerves. Corroding dendrites when my thoughts connect. You wanna step away fast. Seems I gave cats, and that's the way they make tracks. Get a scare, I'm not generous kid. Split society of near men indebted and lit. Independent is sick, and this is just a quick reminder. If you want to pick a cipher, then I'll bust it quick to Rikers.
You would like this way. Yeah?
This is just a quick reminder. If you want to pick a cipher, then I'll bust it quick to Rikers. All expenses paid, no questions asked. I'll get open in the cut to leave your flesh a gash. Gash can't relax. Man, the last time I took a breather, I got brought up on murder charges. Start the crooked
hey, yo, the fella to riff with. I'm so nice, Mr. Rogers, suit my ass for copyright infringement. Roll with henchmen that will switch heads. Wannabe thugs, the 24/7 bitch kids. Copy my shit list. Conducting camp aspects, wanting jiggy beats for some whack rappers. Switch my style, you trying to play my beats. I'm a raw your ass any time of day. Like those chick. Whenever you do shit, people see you and holla. That's a huge shit. When the LP rolls out, the source will be forced to make the quotables a 3-page roll down. No doubt, I'm fed up with this whack shit. Following the next kid wearing Abercrombie and bitch. And any jiggy rapper acting fly on the radio's getting pulled out of rotation like a Firestone radio.
The hip-hop scene I fat in. Not even my winner's belt keep my jeans from sagging. It seems I'm bragging, but fiends been nagging for my next release. I apply all my expertise and make them extra please. Even get the fix the piece to make any brother feel it. All I do is independent like double helix. Something out, well I hope that you're not. But how else could you afford all the smoke that you drop? You can't fuck with me, kid, look. Taking the God ain't a small feat. You ain't Bigfoot. You should know who the heck you're facing. Cause my reputation leaves no room for speculation. Now battle, is that what you wanna do? Kind of a man are you? I bet you sit on the urinal too. All that is proven to you. They got a lot to tell us. Them got your heart skipping beats like acapellas.
Author, writing poems on tombstones. Self-titled, the nigga you couldn't bring home. I'm at the crib with your bitch giving me slow hash. Put you up in more pieces than when Jesus broke bread. My clique is raw, be prepared when you meet us. Killing an unborn baby and you still couldn't defeat us. I don't battle with rhymes, I'd rather battle with knives. Instead of using my mind, I'd rather shatter your smoke. The closest you ever came to a punchline was waiting for refreshments at the prom in '89. Super crafty, super nasty, super raspy. Fucking bitches with super ass cheeks. You fucking faggots don't know what raw speech is. I beat a bitch until her whole body turn to cleavage. I'm hyperactive, so I drink decaffeinated. My left jab is fatal, leave the cats decapitated.
this.